In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a new email in Hotmail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a message, choose who it goes to, format your text, and send it with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Outlook or Hotmail account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main mail dashboard. This is usually the page that shows your inbox in the center, with a list of your emails, and a menu on the left-hand side with folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. Take a second to let that page load fully before moving on, so everything you need is visible. On this dashboard, look towards the top left corner for the button that says New Mail or New Message. This is the button you use anytime you want to start a brand new email. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a new message window will open, usually on the right side of the screen or in a pop-up panel. At the top of this new message, you'll see the field where you add the recipient. Click into the box labeled To and start typing the email address of the person you want to contact. If you've emailed them before, Hotmail may suggest their address automatically, and you can just click on it. You can add more than one recipient if you need to, but make sure each address is spelled correctly so your message reaches the right people. Just below that, you'll find the subject line. Click into the subject field and type a short, clear description of what your email is about. For example, you might write meeting on Friday or question about your order. A good subject line helps the recipient understand why you're emailing even before they open the message. Now, click into the large blank area below the subject. This is the body of your email where you write your actual message. Type out what you want to say and try to keep it organized with short paragraphs. You can customize the text using the formatting toolbar. Change the font style or size, make text bold or italic, underline important points, or adjust alignment. You can also add attachments like documents or images by using the attachment icon, usually shown as a paperclip. When you're happy with everything, take a quick moment to double check the recipient, subject, and body. If it all looks good, click the Send button, usually found at the bottom or top of the message window. Your email will be sent and you'll be returned to your inbox.